Video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to open Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. Whether you're using the search bar, command prompt, or right-clicking a folder, I'll guide you through each method step by step. Step 1. Open Visual Studio Code, using the search bar. First, go to the search bar on your Windows desktop. Move your cursor to the bottom left corner and click on the search bar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search field, type VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Once you see the Visual Studio Code icon in the search results, click on it to open the application. After VS Code is open, you can select your desired folder to start working on by going to the File menu at the top and choosing Open Folder. Browse to the folder you want to work on, select it, and click Open. Step 2. Open Visual Studio Code using command prompt. Next, we'll open VS Code using the command prompt. Start by navigating to the location on your computer where you want to create a new project or workspace folder. Right-click in the directory and select New Folder. Give your folder a name, such as My Project. To open the command prompt in this folder, click on the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window where the folder path is displayed. Delete the current text in the address bar, type CMID without quotes, and press Enter. This will open the command prompt directly in your desired folder. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: Code. This command will open Visual Studio Code, and it will automatically load the folder you just created as your workspace. Step 3. Open Visual Studio Code by right-clicking a folder. Finally, you can open Visual Studio Code by right-clicking a folder. Using File Explorer, go to the location of the folder you want to open in Visual Studio Code. Right-click on the folder. If you are using Windows 11, hold the Shift key while right-clicking to see more options. From the context menu, select Open with Code. This will open Visual Studio Code, and the folder will be loaded into the workspace. By following these steps, you should have no trouble opening Visual Studio Code using any of these methods. Give them a try, and you'll be working in VS Code in no time.